So let's look at these features to see what would be the perfect feature list for Debbie.
Yeah.
Bill splitting, that would definitely be one of them because Debbie is very money conscious, so she'd want to split the bill. Delivery, definitely, because Debbie doesn't have a car. So definitely not pickup because she doesn't have a car, so there's no way she could go pick up the pizza. Coupons, definitely, because she is very value conscious. I don't think name of the farmer or photos of ingredients would be very useful for her. That might be too much extra for her. And also multiple payment options would be consistent with the bill splitting because different people might have different payment options. So I think this would be a really good feature list that would make Debbie feel like we made a pizza app that's just for her.